you ever feel like your mind just won't stop talking? Do you start overthinking even the smallest decision? And do you ever wonder why you already know what to do, but still can't do it? Here's the truth. 95% of your decisions aren't even made by your conscious brain. They're coming from your subconscious mind, the part running your life quietly in the background. Think of it like a supercomputer. It stores every memory, habit, and belief you've picked up since childhood. It's why you can walk without thinking, or instantly know how you feel about someone. It's smooth, fast, powerful, until you get in its way. And that's where overthinking shows up. Overthinking is like pausing a movie every 10 seconds to make sure you get it. It slows you down and makes you doubt what you already know is right. Einstein said, "The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind its faithful servant." Your gut, the subconscious, is the genius. Your conscious mind is just the assistant. But most people, they let the assistant run the show. Take Michael Jordan. He didn't hang midair calculating angles. He trained until his subconscious just knew. That's why he said, "You miss 100% of the shots you don't take." If he overthought every play, he'd still be standing there, holding the ball. Your subconscious wants to guide you, but overthinking keeps slamming the brakes. Trust it, and you'll move faster, feel calmer, and win more often. So, what's one thing you've been overthinking that you'll just do today? And remember, your subconscious is listening right now. Make sure it hears you say, "I trust you."